can come snuggle with me. You don't have to hide up here. Why don't you come down here and let me hold you? Scary noise for a little tiny guy. Oh, you're shaking like a leaf.
Hello.
Tell him how you've been scared all morning.